Okay, now we'll see the client server setup, and that has to be done when you have to install one server machine and supporting client machines. So you have one server machine. The necessary uh, conditions for a server machine are the server machine should be connected to LAN, and it should not have Sanjay Post server on it. Further, the next step will be to install SQL Server, and SQL Server installation will be there in the kit that we will provide to you. The next will be to install SQL Management Studio. Thus, the installation is in the kit. You can just run through the installation. It's a video. The next one will be enabling TCP/IP protocol on the server. TCP/IP protocol should be changed in the following way. You have to go to all programs, go to SQL-R2, and go to configuration tools. After configuration tools, go to SQL Server configuration manager, and you have to click yes. I will repeat this particular step or two, and then you come to configuration tools and then SQL Server configuration manager. You have to click on yes. You will be brought to this screen wherein you have to go to protocols. Now this TCP/IP, if it is disabled, you should enable it, and you should restart the server. Restarting server can be done like this. You have to click on the SQL server, this SQL server, and restart. Okay, I'm not restarting the system because there is no need for my TCP/IP should be to be updated. Now be careful. The reason why I'm telling there should not be SP on the machine which you are making a server is there are possibilities of server crashing if there is a while restarting. So don't try anything on the Sanjay Post machine. Instead of that, do the installation in a separate machine, make it a server, and operate with the clients. Now next will be install MDE and start working on it. Now we go to the client machine settings. So the client machines are connected to the server machine, and in the client machine you have to do the following steps. So in the server machine, we are changing the configuration, server management configuration, and in the client machine we are doing a change in the registry edit to tunnel the connection to the server machine. How do we change the reg edit? That I'll show you now. Reg edit, you have to click exit like exe, and click yes. You'll be shown this particular screen. Here you have to, you will find this H local machine. Once you find the H local machine, click on it, click on software, right click on it, create new key, name this new key as MDE. I think MDE is already there, so we'll first delete it and then we will create a new key. So this one I'll give as MDE, and once MDE is done, I will create a new key again under MDE. This key will be named as connection. Okay, so once this is done, we will create new keys. We will create a new string value into this connection. The first string will be dbms. The second string will be server name. So the server name will be the target server. DBMS MS will have the data that I'm giving now. It's MSS in brackets msoft SQL server 6.0. 6.0 is what you have to give, and you have to give OK. Then the server name, I am giving the server name as target server here, but you have to correctly specify the server which you are which are gonna mention, like which are gonna connect the client machines to. So this is how it is, target server. Now once this is done, you can just leave the registry. This is what I have told in the next slides. You will be having this slide given to you along with the MDE kit. So this is how it is. This is how we can do a client server setup in your post office. Make sure you add the correct keys and you add the correct server name that has to be added to. That's it here. Thanks.